What's up, guys? It's Christopher Honore here. I'm actually in a trade right now. I wanted to make a quick update video showing you guys the power of the 5-minute ATM method. Um, I've actually only been trading for the past 40 minutes and I've increased my balance to over $600. I'll do the math in a second once this trade closes, but you guys look at, what's involved with making this strategy work. You don't need any indicators. You don't need any complicated software. All you need is what you see on my screen and the knowledge that is in the product. Okay, so get your hands on this product as soon as possible before the price rises, so you can put this to use for you and your family. Let me go ahead and do some quick math once the balance updates. Give me 1 second. So my balance was at about $471 at the beginning of this trading session, and as you see, we are now at $1,135, and that means I made $664 in 40 minutes. All right. If you don't believe me, go to the previous video where I started the account balance at $203 and increased it by $262 in about 30 minutes. So depending on your contract size and how the market is moving, you'll have enough opportunity to make anywhere from $500 to $1,000 a day. You can take it slow, or you can, be aggressive. Either way, this strategy works. So get your hands on it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys on the inside. Take care.